So in this section if we're going to talk about users and groups. We're concluding our course. So what we're going to talk about this, it is about admin tools, users and groups, and the profiles. So here in tools we have the application where we can change the theme, we can change the logo. The maximum recommended image height is 48 pixels. We could use Google Docs theme, like. Then we go to category manager, where we have the different categories. You remember when I told you in past videos that we add some properties on some documents. We could see that we can add categories to it. But I would not recommend to use categories. I would recommend better to use tags to classify information to make it more indexable. Now, browser is a debuggable guide that is built for developers. If you're not a developer, I would not recommend it to use it. Tag manager. Here we can see all our tags and we can edit them and delete them. You know, every user that creates a tag is going to be. It can be seen here from the tools on the tag manager. Size manager. So we can make the visibility moderate, we could make it private, public, we could delete sites with actions. Users and groups, let's go to groups. Alright, so to create a group, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to click browse, and then we're going to see different groups here. We click the plus sign, we're going to add marketing. We click create group, then we go to users, we click new user. If you have one CSV file, you know, it will save you the annoying process of adding new users to it, you know, each user. So I would recommend it to use it. You know, if you have a format to it, you could search the template of Fresco for CSV file. First name. There you go. Last name Ramos. And let's add my email address. Let's add my username. Let's add one password 1234 1234. And let's search some groups here. And when we see the group marketing, we add to it, and now we add on the group marketing, you know, the user. So we can set a quota, gigabytes, megabytes, you know, let's say 100 megabytes. So that is going to restrict the users to upload more than 100 megabytes on files and other activities that we could add. So now that we create the user, we could actually search it right here, the user search. We could see here Miguel Ramos. We can click here and we'll actually edit the user. We could add to one group. We could put a picture on it. And then if we go back here, we can click delete user. Let me show you with the profile of the administrator. Here we are, the email. So we could click edit profile, we could add the job title, last name, location, summary. We could upload one picture of us. Just click here, telephone, mobile, Skype, IM. When people is going to search you, it will see all the details. You know, it could be really useful. Miguel Ramos. This is the user profile, and we see it here again. One cool feature, you know, of Alfresco is that you can follow people, you can follow their activities, what they are doing. With Miguel Ramos, if you add information of the site, the IM, the instant messaging, the job title, it is going to show right here. So, you know, I would recommend it to use it to edit your profile the best you can to show that. So, for example, like this, Skype, I am 4 from 890. Google username. I can have a mobile tool. Let's see changes. And now we can see. Now we can see the contact information on it. I can check the password. I can see the people that follow me or that I am following. Yeah, we could leaving a set phone status here. What I am thinking. Working in a new project. Click post status. Then other persons could see it. Don't you think all this is cool? Other persons, when they check my profile, they're going to see it. That's the cool things, you know, of users and groups. You know, you can restrict people from seeing one document. You can make it visible. You can make sites visible to use a certain group of persons. For example, here I have access to everything of this because I am the administrator, so I can see that. But for example, if we click here, we can actually add a group or one person to this site, because other persons, if they are not added to it, they are not going to see it. So I could type Miguel, search for people, and I could add him. If I click here on groups, I could search a group, marketing, or we could add a group to it. Marketing, and we could add a group of marketing. This is very cool, you know, because you could make a very good structure. You could improve your internal process for organization. That was all this about. I hope you like this course, and I hope you give your feedback on it. Alright, so a pleasure to be your teacher.